On a Bernina 480, the foot number 1 is got a 1C. So let's talk about 1C. C means that it is considered a coated foot. When a coated foot is put on the machine, you will be able to stitch the full width of that foot, which is going to be 9 millimeters. When the machine doesn't see that code, so for example, on a number 4 zipper foot that came with the machine, it will limit how wide the stitch will let you go. So for example, when I go here, I can only, not that I would be using a zigzag, but it is going to know that I can only be in the range of 5.5. That's the max. And then things start to turn red and it won't let me stitch. So that is a wonderful safety measure. When you are buying feet for the Bernina 480, do make sure that you buy the C version if that is available, because as soon as you put on the coated foot, the zigzag will let you go up to the full 9 millimeter zigzag or decorative stitches at that full width. Otherwise, again, the machine will limit how wide it will stitch, and it will make sure you never break a needle.